The evolution of the currency of Uganda started with barter trade, where it was just exchange of goods. Of course, with time, we had to evolve to the cowrie shells, which were introduced by the Arabs when they came to trade in East Africa. But with time, with the coming of the construction of the railway, we brought in the Indians who came with the Indian rupees, which was also a welcome currency because it was tangible, easy to move with, and not as bulky as the cowrie shells. So with time, when we got colonized, we had to move from the Indian rupee to the East African rupee because the British were not comfortable having a currency that they could not control or manage. So the East African Currency Board started printing the currency that was being controlled by the British, which included the East African rupee, which was later replaced by the florin, and shortly afterwards the East African shilling. So now the shilling has evolved with time because following the independence, we had to take control of the managing of our currency as a nation. So in 1966, Bank of Uganda was born and started taking charge of the printing and designing of our currency. So right now we have transitioned from President Obote to President Idi Amin to Obote II, and now to President Yoweri Museveni. And along those regimes, currency has been evolving one way or the other.